It's the first day of the second season here in Wisconsin, and got Flinter. He's out here, got out here after work. Got about 2 hours till they head to roost. Gonna take him and maybe go sit along a field edge. Like I said, I've been watching these birds for a couple mornings and an evening. Not the same group, and they're not consistent at all. But we're just gonna wing it. Hopefully, maybe learn something, so that if we don't get one tonight, maybe this weekend we can get back out there and get them a bird. So I'll be running the camera. I'm gonna try to get up there quietly as possible, and maybe catch them coming back to the roost. So we'll see what happens. How are you feeling there, buddy?
Excited. Second time going turkey hunting. Kind of promising. So hopefully we can get one. If we don't, we've got some more days or something to try and get one. But I'm hoping we get one in the next 2 hours.
Me too, buddy, me too. That being said, we're gonna hurry up and get in our spot, so we'll pick you up there. Alright, we are back in the blind at the same place we were, yes, or 2 days ago. This time we're in a blind up the hill. We never saw anything last hit, but we couldn't see much. Now we can see it quite a bit more. If anything, hopefully there's potentially a roost straight out in front of us. So maybe we'll catch them going to the roost. Otherwise, maybe learn, because where they hang out in case we have to hunt this weekend. But we got a strutter and a hen decoy out in front of us. Hopefully draw some extra attention, and we'll throw some calls out here and there. Got Flint, the big shooter. Nice to get
hello. So, last set, I'm hoping to get a bird. If we don't, we could try again maybe tomorrow. Or later today, most likely tomorrow. But I'm hoping we get one. It is pretty windy though. And that's it.
That's about it. So just a little bit of an update. We got 5 gobblers and 2 hens to our left. They were gobbling in the woods. I thought they might go in front of us, but they didn't. They all came out down the ravine to our left and headed left. They're just strutting it up. I guess all fire and trying to impress the same 2 hens. There was 2 hens that I caught way in the distance on our right. They're just, I guess, by themselves. It's currently 6 o'clock, so we got about good hour and a half left. Hopefully they come through here, maybe get to this roost. Otherwise, I think they roost down that way. At least I thought they did one time when I was doing some scouting. I guess tonight will let us know. It is Saturday, April 25th. It's the next day. Those birds, they all worked off to the opposite end of the field, and they went up in the woods, I guess, at like 10 after 8. But where they went in at, they're quite a ways away from where I initially thought they would roost going in that late. still around. We're still in the mix of them, I guess, but could be a longer sit than we were maybe anticipating. But ain't much we can do about it.
Hi. So, just like last time, I'm hoping to get a bird. Sounds pretty promising because yesterday they came out of the waterway, kind of, and then like just behind us, so hoping we can get one.
Yeah, we're 3 deep in the blind. It's Flint, Dad, and I, so hopefully something happens. on the ground here. We're gonna take it up by the blind, get some pictures, and maybe, soak up this moment a little bit. I know this hunt was a lot more involved than the last one. That he got a bird during the youth season, but it was really bad weather. It was storming, rainy, so we didn't really get to hear a lot of that close gobbling, see the birds and whatnot. So this is definitely a good one for him. I think this one's gonna keep him hooked in the sport, and it's all that matters.
And, so like I said, we just got back, we got a turkey, and so I'm hoping we can get back soon to, back home, but, yep, that's the turkey right there. You see photos, never mind, but, so, yeah, we did get a turkey, and like, what time did we get the turkey?
6 o'clock.
Yeah, we got it at 6 o'clock. Three, what do you call it? Toms. 3 toms came in. Kept running around back and forth by the decoys. And, so, I could have got one already, but it just moved. So then I got this one. So I was like, over there, I already showed you, but yeah, that's it. So